Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. I hope everyone's doing well today. I'm doing really well. I have a nice pretty day outside, so that's always a good thing. Today I want to show you some of my experimenting I did. I don't know what you would actually call this, and I can't remember who did this binding, but I wanted to try it, and with this worked out just great. So what I've got here is chipboard, and then on covering the chipboard I have photo, they were 5x7, yeah, 5x7 photo paper, and I did some distress spray on there, and just make nice backgrounds on it. So that's what I've used for the background of everything here. And I've got some little dangles on the side here from where my binding is at. Here I've just got a piece of fabric with some buttons sewn on it. Got a layer, a piece of bark, and a snippet. This is from the sticker book, one of the sticker books. And this is from a snippet, and as well as that is cut from another flower. So over on this side I've got some fabric stamped on there. I cut this out of Tim Holtz paper, and then I just stapled this little piece of film strip on there. Got a little pocket down here, and this is just one of the small papers in the back of paper pad, Tim Holtz paper pad. Pocket, got a stamp, some die cut number 4. This is one of the layers that I did with my markers, and some fabric down the side. This one, you can see the background a lot better. Well, you can see it pretty good on this one too, but anyway, this one is, I put the birds on here. I've got a little stick that they're sitting on. Got some snippets. These are some stickers that I had in my stash, and then this tweet is from the sticker book. I love the way these turned out. Over here I have a paper doll. She was done in color pencil, and this is just a stamped piece of fabric, some snippets, some tickets, and this is some packing paper that came in something that my husband had ordered, and sticker along the side here. Here I have another paper doll. She is from a yearbook, an old yearbook that I have from 1929. So I went through and cut out all the people that I could cut out and use. I got some die cut numbers, some stickers, a piece of edge of a watercolor tablet pad, and all of these over here. This little there. Over here I have this lady. This lady was out of a book that I had as well. I'm not sure if she was in the yearbook or not. I'm kind of not thinking so, but anyway, that's what she is. I've got some more stickers, labels, stamping here. Here I've got one of the big, I don't know what he calls these. I have a terrible memory of remembering which thing is which. But this is Tim Holtz as well. This was in one of the ephemera packs. This is some film strip die cut that I had, and I put pictures of ladies that was on the Tim Holtz film strip. And this is a die cut that I have, and I think that is, I'm not going to say, I'm not sure if that's Tim Holtz or not. most everything in here is, but I don't want to say if it's not. Over here I've got a slide frame die cut, and I've got a stamped piece of paper up there. Here I've got some different stickers. This is from Tim Holtz, a Tim Holtz die cut, I know that. And some stamping. Over here on this page I have some more of this die cut, and you know, I think it is Tim Holtz, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, I've got a -1 cut out here, and then a 2 die cut. These are things that came out of a die cut, and I'm not sure if I have that in here or not. But anyway, those are those. I've got a bingo card back here, and just a strip of leftover of this gold paper. I think I cut it off of here. And then my lady here is watercolored, and so she's sitting right there. And then over here, I had to put the cats in here. I just love them. I've got the cats and the stamps that go with them. For the milk bottle, I don't know if you can see that or not. I stamped it onto acetate, and then I stamped it onto paper, and I glued the paper to the acetate so it looked like a real bottle there. And I love this. I'm sorry, did I just roll my eyes out loud? His little eyes are rolled. I just think that's adorable. And then up here we have another paper doll, and I love this. That's a horrible idea. What time? And so I had to add a clock. This was in an ephemera pack, and then I just put 2 eyelets up here and tied it with a piece of twine. This is actually a leftover piece from the village houses, the roof. So that's what these 2 things are from. Over here, got this gentleman sitting here. Oh, this is where these came from. Because there. Got a gentleman here sitting on that great big 5. I've got some rub on there, rub on here. Some more of the die cut from Tim Holtz, and a piece of ephemera from Tim Holtz too. There, domino. Over here, I did some stenciling with texture paste, and just gave that a little run over with some Distress ink. And I've got a bunch of little snippets and ephemera pieces, and there's that hand. This is cut out of paper pad, one of the paper pads from Tim Holtz. I don't know if you guys could see these backgrounds very well or not, but oh my gosh, I just love them. And then here we've got a couple of Tim Holtz people, some leaves, and another big globe behind them. They were done with the watercolor pencils. It says dreams of faraway places and daring adventures on there. Over here I have the sky from the Tim Holtz ephemera pack. Blessed are the curious. So I thought that went quite well with that. These are the word tiles, I think they may be called. So there's that. What? Oh, that's my clock from that other lady sticking out there. Over here, got these 2 little, look at that face. She just looks like she's all into trouble all the time. So I've got these 2 little paper dolls on here. So I have some stamps, I have some lace, I have some fabric with a 4.5 stamped on there, and these were colored with my watercolor pencils. And then I have a lady over here, and she's got some pretty butterfly wings, and it says with brave wings she flies, and that background again. And here on the back page we have just some circle I punched out of something. Have a little Tim Holtz gal there. Got the mushroom and some more, a strip of those letters from the paper. This is a piece of fungi off of a tree limb that was out back in our woods, and this little piece of a ticket, and it says, again, it says full of wonder, and that's the background. So yeah, this helped me get through some things, so that was good. And I hope you guys like this. Oh, I didn't tell you what size it is. It is 5 by 3.5. I just took my piece of paper, my photo paper, it was 5 by 7, and just cut it in half, and that's what I made my pages out of. So there you go. Okay guys, I hope you like this. Thanks so much for stopping by and subscribing, all your likes and your comments. I think I'm on getting to a better place, so I should be here more often for sure, and hopefully you stick around and see what's next. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.